Hello, in this lesson you will learn how to create the raw material master record. So let's begin by navigating the tab menu. Let's go to logistics, go to material management, go to material master, click on material, and then click on create special. Special here means it is the way to create the material master record with an already defined material type. Here is the list of all SAP transactions for creating material masters for the various material types. In this lesson I will use transaction MMR1 raw material. So let's go ahead and double click on it. The create raw material initial screen is displayed. As you see from the screen, only the industry sector should be indicated, and keep in mind that each transaction is linked to a material type. Let's choose the industry sector field, click on the selection icon. So the list of industry sector. For our purpose or for this lesson, let's choose chemical industry. Okay, click on the continue icon. Select from the view, select basic data 1. Select purchasing. Select general plant data 1. Scroll down, select warehouse management 1 and select accounting 1. Then click on the continue icon. The organizational levels dialog screen box opens. Type, first one, type 3000. In the storage location, type 001 actually. Warehouse number, click on the search icon and choose WS1. Double click on WS1. Storage type, click again on the search icon and select 107. Choose and select on the continue icon. The create raw material 252 screen displayed. In the material description, type paint and click on the tab key. In the base unit of measure, type each. You could also click on the search icon to look for the different entries for the base unit of measure, and let's choose each. Select, click on the icon. Material group, let's enter the material group code. Let's click on the search icon to select the material group. Let's click on the header of the material group description to sort. Let's search and write chemical, and I see chemical here, so select 004 for chemical, click on continue, and then let's press the tab key. Select the product hierarchy field. The product hierarchy field is a string of alphanumeric characters that groups together materials by combining different characteristics or specs. So let's select, click on the search icon, select 00110 for paints, click on that. Let me move this up so I could see the icons at the bottom, and then say go next level. Then select in this area here, select the primings 00110, the subgroup. again go up, next level, and the last one we're going to select is the zinc alu base. So select on that, bring it up a little bit and choose. Select the weight unit field and click on the search icon. Select kilogram, confirm. And the net weight, we're going to type in 8, then press the tab key. Let's go and choose the purchasing tab. So let's scroll to the right by clicking the right arrow here, and we have the purchasing here tab, or you could go and click on this icon to see the list of the views. So we have purchasing here, select it. Select the purchasing group and type, or for this lesson I'm going to type 100. You could also see the drop, you could select the drop down if needed. The purchasing group number is the number for the buyer or buyers who basically are responsible for purchasing a particular material or a specified group of materials. For example, purchasing group for buying electrical items, you have purchasing group responsible for buying chemical items, others responsible for mechanical items, other purchasing group responsible also for electrical items, and so on and so forth. So materials basically for specific project. For purchasing value key right here, we're going to type 2. The purchasing value key field is configured as a reminder for the user or the purchaser for the number of days. So in this case I put 2 days that has been passed before the vendor is contacted concerning undelivered purchase order. Then press the tab key. Let's scroll down and click in the GR processing time. I'm going to type in 3 days. The GR stands for goods receipt. Goods receipt processing time field. This number will specify the number of days to process the material for inspection. In another word, the GR processing time is basically referred to the number of working days that are required after receiving the material. Select the post to inspection stock. Let's check this box. The post to inspection stock box indicator allows the user to indicate if the material needs or should be subject to inspection, quality inspection. The next tab is accounting 1. In the accounting tab, go to the current valuation selection and let's click on the search icon and choose raw material 1, and then let's continue, confirm. The valuation class field is a process basically to assign a material to the GL accounts. The GL accounts are usually updated when a movement to a material has been triggered or occurred. Let's click on the price control. The price control field is used in the valuation of the stock. The two options are average moving and standard price. Let's click on search and you see them right here. Standard price and moving average price. The standard price field is a constant and it does not take into account invoice prices or goods movement. The standard price can be entered when the price control indicator is set to S. The moving average price, it is calculated by dividing the material value by the total stock. So changes in this price usually happens automatically with each goods movement. So let's go ahead and select standard price or S and confirm to continue. After entering all required fields, go ahead and save your work. At the bottom left of the screen, the status bar message confirms that the material 252 has been created. In this lesson, you have just learned how to create a raw material master record. And this will bring us to the end of this lecture. So let's go ahead and review some of the questions to find out if you understand the material. And if you get stuck or you have a problem, just go back and take this lesson again. So I'll see you in the next one.